Welcome to Celebrity Investing, your go-to source for insights, tips, and updates on navigating the exciting landscape of personal and global finance. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about why one-model AI companies with no retraining budget can be risky to back. We'll break down the core problem, the hidden costs, and the red flags you should watch for. Let's get started. AI products don't finish the way a normal app might. Users expect the answers to keep getting better, even as the world changes. Meanwhile, competitors ship updates every week, and in 2026, strong open models keep getting cheaper and easier to adopt. That's why a one-model AI company with no retraining budget can be a risky bet. If the whole product depends on one core model, and the team can't afford meaningful fine-tuning or retraining, quality usually slips. Then the business spends more time patching than improving. This isn't investment advice. Think of it as a risk checklist for founders, operators, and investors doing AI due diligence, especially when a pitch sounds like, "The model is the moat." The core problem: a single model gets stale, and the market moves on. A good model today can feel average in 6 months. That's not because the team got worse. It's because the inputs, expectations, and alternatives keep shifting. Model quality also isn't one number. It's a bundle of behaviors: accuracy, refusal style, tone, speed, tool use, and how it handles edge cases. When any of those drift, customers notice fast. In 2026, this pressure is stronger for 2 reasons. First, new models arrive with better reasoning and lower costs. Second, teams can ship product changes faster with better tooling. So good enough has a shorter shelf life than it did even a year ago. If your product's main feature is "our model is good," you're renting your advantage. AI does not stand still. Your product quality will slip over time. Concept drift sounds fancy, but the idea is simple. Reality changes, and your model stays the same. A customer support bot is an easy example. New products launch, pricing changes, and policies update. Customers also invent new ways to describe the same problem. If the model doesn't adapt, it starts missing intent and giving stale instructions. Those misses show up in business metrics, not just model metrics. You see more escalations to humans, longer time to resolution, more refunds, and higher churn. Even small drops can break trust because users compare you to newer tools. They don't grade on a curve. Also, many AI products rely on structured outputs, forms, tickets, database updates. One wrong field can ruin an entire workflow. As a result, mostly right becomes not usable for teams that need consistency. What happens when you cannot retrain? More patches, more exceptions, more hidden costs. When a company can't retrain, it usually compensates with layers of glue. Prompt tweaks, regex rules, long system messages, safety filters, and manual reviews start piling up. Each patch may help one case, but it often breaks another. Over time, you get a fragile machine. The demo looks smooth because it follows a happy path. Production looks different because users are creative, stressed, and inconsistent. Edge cases grow every week, so the patch pile grows too. Hidden costs follow. Support teams write how to ask the bot guides. Engineers add retries and fallback prompts, which increase token use. QA becomes endless because every change touches everything. The company still pays for quality, just in a messy way. It pays with ops headcount, slow shipping, and customer frustration. That's it for part 1. Now you understand why a single model strategy without a retraining budget can create serious long-term risk. In part 2, We'll look at smarter alternatives and what strong AI companies do differently. Stay tuned for part 2. Stay tuned and continue to watch our videos to gain valuable insights into the world of finance. Subscribe, like, and share to continue your journey to financial success.